శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 488th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 38th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, now Bhishma Pitamaha establishing Sri Krishna Paramatma Sriman Narayana's supremacy in Dharmaraju's Rajasuya Yaga assembly in front of Krishna and in front of all the kings, saying like this, O Dharmaja, Sri Krishna Paramatma is Sriman Narayana. Asvino Ghranayur Devaha Chakshushi Sasibhaskarau Indra Vaisvanarau Devau Mukham Tasya Mahatmanaha. Sriman Narayana's nose is Aswini Devatas. Sriman Narayana's eyes are sun and moon. Sriman Narayana's face is Indra and Agni. And all other devatas are body parts of Sriman Narayana. Sarvam Vyapya Haristastau Sutram Manigananiva. As and how a thread goes around the garland of the pearls, gems, just like that Sriman Narayana is pervaded everywhere, and he is taking care of this entire universe. When all the things gets dissolved, Sakshat Sriman Narayana takes the form of Chaturmukha Brahma, and he is so Adhyakshaha Sarvabhutanam. Sriman Narayana is Adhyaksha of all the living entities. He is the cause, root cause for everything. Such Achyuta Sriman Narayana is the one Sanat Kumaram Rudrancha Manunchaiva Tapodhanan Sarvameva Srujat. He is the one who creates Sanat Kumara, Rudra, Manu and all other Tapodhanas and all these worlds, all these people. He is the one who creates. O Dharmaja, he is the one who creates Manu and other people. So far, so many kalpanam bahukotyascha, so many crores of kalpas already passed, so many dissolutions, pralayas have done. This entire Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat, this entire universe is filled up with Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu, Sriman Narayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha proving and establishing Sriman Narayana's supremacy. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why Let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.